I'm gonna stay over here. Hold on. Stay there. Hold on. Pull him.
Pull, moving. Got the puppies. Yeah. Take them for a walk. Take them for a walk.
Go.
You taking them for a walk? You taking the puppies for a walk?
Let it go, That's smart. Get out of the pen, grass, y'all. Let's go.
Come on, booby, come back this way. Bring them this way. They sneezing.
They choking on that wood.
Her feet caught.
Lift your feet up. Yeah, they come to you. Yeah.
Come on, bring them over here, Mama.
Say, come. Uh-oh, what? Are you got? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Puppy. Stop biting me. Puppy.
What's that?
Puppy.
The next time they come around, they're going to be by her side.
Puppy.